Hey guys, and how's it going on? In this video we will be talking about how to turn on seatbelt alarm in 2019 RAM. So let's just dive right in. So now we have a couple of solutions on the forums since no official tutorials are uploaded by the original manufacturers. So I just wanted to let people know that same procedure for 918 disable works on 19 as well. Simply put belt on, turn on the key and wait till everything boots up in the cluster, then unbuckle and buckle 3 times while finishing with it buckled. Turn on the ignition and you should hear a chime and no more belt alert. So this is a process. So you can see I'm seeing in the owner's manual it says only dealer and can turn this feature off, but I was wondering if anybody found a way to do it for yourself. Before you flame me, I always wear my seatbelt. I work in a secure area that requires me swiping with my badge at the gate, and that requires me to take off my belt in order to reach out the window. So yeah, so let's just assume that you are in a similar situation or something like that. You can try this procedure that we just discussed, and you can see people saying yes, that procedure works. The seat belt must be fastened before uh, your truck put to the run position. So make sure to try it for yourself and let us know in the comments if this works for you. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, and thank you so much for watching.